na tori that, na very important tori for people. Una hear am fine, and then una copy am, una continue with am. Na time for we for begin knack the tori this. Yes, tori time don reach. We talk say wetin, we go tell una say some artists the way he don't turn the pikin them for Inga. They don't carry go for God. So other woman they way they work for some television for here for Douala. So Imuris, so even a former colleague for he don't follow he fine for social media. They carry the matter don't go plenty place. And then when I remember last week that plane for we crash for that side for India. Plenty people will be die. So one day we go for that plane for go enter. But God help he come late. Now so he save his life. He no enter that plane. And then another story na say some woman where they sitting them far away. They call them for baby grammar say astrologist. Voila. For French they say na astrologue. Senator, you don't talk French. If you don't talk say for the year some crash go happen. So the crash don't happen now. Any man they talk say it they like say if you see them before time the carriage say that crash it go happen. Say plenty people they go quarrel. For Indian side where the woman talk up. When I know say another news now that tom where it take place between Israel and Iran. Plenty gun, plenty missile where they send them. Now so the thing it happen for that side. But now all the people will tell na tori where they for here. Na tori where they for we for here. Now the important tori that we go tell now. We no go far away. We far away. Now only for corner here. We far away. Na chin away. Una 1 year we come on for we for here. We'll start this one news with some girl where they work for some television where they call it say Joyce Photo. What happen with the Joyce Photo? Now the question that way some people they ask her. Now say Masaya Cup na his name. Masaya Cup now he don't make some interview. He talk how we Joyce Photo be over criticize it. That way if they do so a program where they call us say how they call that program again Kisa Fellow show with the Tony Nobody Caravan Mobile. He talk say for that time for that program that woman no be don't start no be don't work for Canada that time. But now after the woman come Canada the matter go reach so we hurry for the way it be plenty. It be plenty because say anytime the woman can call you say what's if we offer that Joyce Photo his skin is shake. His skin will only shake. Shake. If he talk say now what you go talk now, now that thing go happen for you now. When the woman just call it, say the woman always criticize it. Anything you want to do, the woman must criticize it. That Joyce Photo must criticize it. You want to do one thing, they will give woman more test, they need to do so. So if they always fear anytime the woman they call it. So now experience that way share up. As he share that experience, so for social media now, people don't go mad. People don't take them now, they make their own with them. Bam, they get the should also, they knock on for this side, knock on for that side, knock on for this side, knock on for that side. The thing don't go reach your place way, it don't go reach your play way, it bad plenty. You don't get now plenty support. Plenty support for a colleague them, for a former colleague them, for other people the way they need to understand. They talk say this so now catching they happen, why they only follow he, they do it so you know correct, did this and that. So Palava Joyce Photo with Masaya Cup, you don't go for the way na different dimension. Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. That time we blow the Tori for now. We continue with the Tori. Another Tori we day. Na say weti. Na say that girl. They call her name na that Indian girl. No, I tell na say be astrologist. Her name na Shamista. Shamista na her name. It is sitting the way normal human being, no visa with normal eye. Shamista, if we talk say weti. If we talk say for 2025, some plane crash go happen for India, but that sector will develop plenty. It will progress positively, but crash go happen. So, as he talk that thing, una know, say, he talk as so, crash happen, and then yesterday, Sunday, another one happen again. Na helicopter wey come out for with pilgrims them where they come up for that Himalaya mountain. They enter for they get some sanctuary where they call it for they say Kendanat. Kendanat is for Himalaya. So the pilgrims them they don't go there. The helicopter will carry them now, bring them back for mainland India. As the helicopter come out, wait see they say now for bad weather. Bad weather make come. My way the pilot the helicopter in the see place fine. He try best in the see place fine. Now so he crash. As he crash, 7 people they kick bucket. 7. Few days after na plane crash for India, with plenty people them they quarrel. And the girl, if we talk the 18 now for Twitter, that social media way Elon Musk don't buy them now. He talk the thing for Twitter, people they take a play, the thing not go turn na say it happen na for true, say na news. Where people they will take a say sometimes na joke, sometimes they just talk that thing, nothing no will happen. But we don't see say he don't talk the thing don't happen. Countryman, countrywoman. Oh, na no say the news go see continue. More remain for Palaba crash for plane for that side for India. So young girl, you call Kiai. What getting tongue? That means say you get lucky. What getting lucky? If you want travel for that plane way crash for Thursday. If you want go holidays, you want go England for holidays. Now that you don't go for go buy 18 them for town for Ahmedabad. As he go buy 18 them, he want come now for plane. He don't come late. He come late. He try for convince for say me they put him, but unfortunately he be get kaku then. So if you get kaku and then you want enter plane. Will be late come out, it is difficult because no go open suit again. They don't already do all thing them. Machine don't send all back them, all luggage them. If it be na E1, they will talk say okay, just come fast. If you enter, if you open plane, you enter. They will go open luggage and all that. Now manutention and then plenty people that they walk around. So all that machine they know they. As they tell you so, the thing hodi they get a name na Bumi Shohan. Where he get an English nationality, but an Indian girl, 28 years old girl. It's hoti, he vex. Neither go shilong. He not stay. Plane just hook up for air. As the plane hook up for air, few meters, plane come up back, it go down. Bam. Hey, massa. That's why they call it zone for turbulence. Zone de turbulence for France, for France. If you enter plane, the place that is shake that way, you go understand. Because man of you understand. So I imagine they kind of way they take over people the way they didn't start playing the time when they play with the crash because it been at some very serious matter. It been at some serious matter with it should also you get that me saying that some shocking matter. Yes, countryman, countrywoman. So that girl again talk. You know enter a plane, so Kwara. Another Tory a day. This time, not Tory for waiting. So for that plane matter. When I know say, when we talk that plane matter last week, how we have a gay die. Now that I don't go, we don't bury him, you don't pass fine. I don't come now for here. I say thank you now for all man. We send me message for condolence. Now we'll continue. The crash will happen so for India last week. New call. Some family. Let me say the man a doctor, medical doctor. He named like Dr. Pratik Joshi. He take his family for that Thursday last week. Say they go for that side for Great Britain. A woman too na doctor. A woman named like Dr. Komi Yevas. They carry their 3 pikin. They enter plane. Papa, mommy, and 3 pikin, all them. They enter plane for go holidays for Great Britain. They really glad. They don't say make selfie. Papa, he makes selfie with his pikin them. That means say selfie now can talk that. Now picture where you turn your phone the camera for that face and then you press and for it. It makes a feel a woman and 3 picking them. That's so they smile. They never finish smile. We plane, he want to make decollage. That means a plane one climb for go for up for sky. Now so that family die all for that crash. All papa, mommy, and all picking them. They perish. They perish. They quarrel for that clash. For that crash. Now some kind of, let me say, now some kind of thing way. If you let me say, if you know where I had, the kind of way the kind of thing happen. So for the way we go happen, for the way it happen, I tell when I say the thing, it did some way. It did some way because just remember when I see when man see crash, it did different from motor accident and all that. Motor accident, some people they survive some way. But when plane the crash, them say they come for off, can fall for down. It is strong past castle countryman. It is strong. The thing will be very difficult for look at the image then. If you don't get hard, don't see that kind of image. Even the video where they actually will play the car fall for down. You just imagine how many people they will be inside and wait till it take place for that particular moment. Now so the thing day. When they talk say I share for any family. When I know say people they travel. And people they travel, so when they say we go through air, it be safer. So when they talk say we go through sea, it be safer. All place while I did it, it just depend how the thing happen. So we're baby time sorry for all people the way they be involved in any accident whatsoever. Any people they be involved because we don't say when they travel for the outside, thing they do the happen way, you know fine. So some driver they just drive when they not take they may take time. So one they don't drive tire, they see continue for drive, sleep don't catch them. Now so the thing happen, countryman, a countrywoman. May we talk now. Palabandamba. Tori day. The Tori na weti. So news they come out. Say Marco Briso. Una know you know. They be vacancy for that side for Marrakech. Where we hear say Mark Brice cry. He cry. He cry so he talk say, you know, they don't feel accept the kind of thing whether they talk for it so. If it's some baby man, I see some baby man, they supposed to respect it, they supposed to hear all the way they talk, now he be commander man. They not supposed to be tell it way it's supposed to do. The man way they carry go for that side, the man way they control representative for ministry, I say, we hear say, they talk say, he tell you true, say na so it's supposed to do now. You get respect, President of Federation, because na India oga kwata look out. So na so it happen. But now they say some club for that side of Saudi Arabia. It don't start begin, it look you small eye. They call it say Al Nasser. Al Nasser na club for Cristiano Ronaldo. But no be the first time this where they talk say that club or some club for Saudi Arabia in one Mark Brice, no not the first time. Est-ce que na job publicity where they do one for Mark Brice or na say na true say Mark Brice that club he want it. Now the thing with the ask like a question. That one na small sport he news that. Countryman, countrywoman. To the day Samuel and Yetofis wait till he talk up. Samuel and Yetofis he talk say now because of a woman where he don't get all the way get up all his success now because of a woman. A hail woman. If they talk now for some program for Dutch Welle Africa where they record for the we go pass for this 17. Let me say tomorrow for 9 o'clock tomorrow morning where the program go pass. The subject matter it been a divorce and poverty for women them, and then they say women they be very much vulnerable. That means say that thing it touch them past man pikin. Now Mr. Eto, he say Georgette na different level. Now thanks to Georgette, if he no be get weight where he win himself and then stay for long when no play ball, a woman be there with you. A woman, the cookie correct job, a woman they give fine advice, and the woman na stability. Because if you get problem, if you do this order, if you do it, the woman they be much more stable. It make the family they be stable. Now thanks to you, a family no capsize like a boat. Now they talk in that way. Samuel, he talk about a woman. But no matter the first time when they talk about Georgette, and I don't say people the way they know him pass all man for social media, they be don't talk say this so in a Georgette, they don't chakara. But anytime when they talk say they don't chakara, when they see them back, when they understand say na job boop 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 boop. They never chakara no nothing. So countryman, if you want get stability, you will get stable woman. If you want get stability woman, you too, you will get stable man where they accompany you. But any marriage way waka, now woman make them for a waka. I repeat myself, any marriage way waka, now woman he make her before the marriage waka. Now woman be the stability, now woman be the rock, now woman be the pillar, now woman be the foundation stone for marriage and for any relationship. Tori day, countryman, countrywoman. The other Tori wa wanaka for una. His name na Benya Chutang. Benya Chutang, he talk some baby talk. The grammar, he be plenty. Benya Chutang talk say, wait. He talk say, he dey ready for take even a bullet where they send her for Samuel the office. Say he be very ready. Why he talk so? He talk say he dey for France. Where we play before he career want go finish, he get some problem, some serious problem. Where he be taking gongata, and then they be the worry for that matter. Chutam Bena talk say, so his friend, he talk for Samuel the office, he told me there for Paris, he told tell him how much, he tell the money, he told move all the money, he give 30,000 euro. 30,000 euro. Now approximately, na grandma talk 20 million. That means 19.2 million approximately now. So now the amount we give. So it talk say, you know, whoever want to be ungrateful, it go continue for support Eto. It go always be beside Eto. In no fi be that kind of amount way, and some man they give you chop and they want cut your hand. Say no. Me put the understanding. Now so Bena Chutang it talk am. So countryman, countrywoman. Now for here, we will go put end for the Pidgin program. Una know no. Anytime we can you want go back, I tell you now. Say when I see my back, me una know say my belly it did for before. Now so small time again. Country